kind of giving intelligence to the field, right, behind it. That then, after it listens ambiently to the conversation, it will follow those instructions to complete that field. And this is also why we say terms like your AI, your way. You get to build this skill set to work with the AI. Now, if you're like, hey, I don't really want to deal with this, like, I just want the note to be written, as an example. The team, we have services from a team perspective to help you get these templates set up for you. So, want to just show you can be as granular as you want here, or rely on our teams.
And I'm gonna throw out the question that everyone kind of jumps to when they hear about AI or there's a new feature, a new tool that comes out. How scared should I be about this, right? I've been a clinician for 25 years. I've been doing things a certain way. Is the goal of this to replace me, or how should tell me why I should adopt this and not be fearful that it's going to take over the world? Ross, you want to field that one?
Yeah, yeah, no problem. Sorry, I didn't know if you were going to continue there. So yeah, and that's the thing, right? So first of all, therapists are not going to be replaced by AI, right? There may be some augmented, like, in a value-based care model and things like that can help kind of in between, and we're seeing some of that type of technology come out. But ultimately, that eye contact, human to human connection will not go away. It's necessary, it's needed, etc. Also, this is not here to replace your clinical judgment. It's here to help, and you get to tell it what to do. And that's the beauty behind those prompts, is your leadership, your organization gets to tell the AI what to do, so that you can actually be more human. You can be more present, more connected with your clients and patients. Because point of care documentation, right? When they're talking about something traumatic, for example, and you need to capture something, or even on the back of your brain when they're talking, you're thinking, okay, I'm going to need to document that. Here's what's happening here. Here's the intervention I'm using, and I need to remember the X, Y, and Z. It enables you to kind of let that guard down a bit and really be present in care, um, and handle a lot of the compliance stuff and the on the background for you. But yeah, this is augmented technology to help you and yields to you in your clinical judgment.
Yes.
I think there's another
Um,
question about
All right, yeah, it
yeah,
price.
looks like
question
we have
about
a couple questions in there. Let's see.
um,
Will there be a payment plan or package options, like a top package with all the AI options and maybe some less expensive options with more limited AI options?
Yeah, so the way we'll make this available within ClinicTracker is similar to certain other features like Telehealth Connector and others, where you only need to license it for the specific staff members who will be using the technology or using the feature. So if you have 80 staff accessing ClinicTracker, but only 50 of them are routinely writing progress notes or are interested in using this, you would just need to license for the individuals. And then beyond that, if you have specific use cases you'd like to discuss, just feel free to reach out to your account manager through any member of our support team, and we can put together a plan that makes sense for you.
And also, can this be used on mobile devices slash apps like the image displayed or just the computer?
Ross, I'll let you field that one.
Yeah, well, I'm just curious. I'm not familiar with the mobile experience of ClinicTracker, but is that available? Is the portal available on mobile?
Yes, for sure.
Yeah, so wherever you can access that portal, it'll tap into the audio of the actual device when you click on that little icon. So yeah, if you're using it, on a tablet or something in the field, right? You can click on that and it'll just use the audio of that particular device, so long as you're in the ClinicTracker platform. So yeah, it's native to any endpoint or device operating system that you're using. You may just have to enable the microphone, but that's about it. It'll usually prompt you to do that if it doesn't have mic access.